The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC, TITOS CHYNE, had briefed newspersons on Tuesday on the issue related to the eviction of residents of Metor in MAWLONG area. On the move of the government to relocate settlers at Metor to another location, TITOS CHYNE stated that the KHADC is in full support of this decision as it is for the best interest of the public. He informed that the council had earlier decided to lease out the land which originally belonged to the same of M&ch and had also submitted a suggestion to the government with regards to the beautification of the particular area in the heart of the city. The CEM also said that the matter has been blown out of proportion as a few have turned it into a communal issue, which is a grave mistake. One of the main intentions of the relocation of government employees to other quarters is to stop all illegal activities in the colony as these have become a threat to society, TITOS CHYNE informed.
Kumga District Council, kabangi don benta haka report ya ke HLC. Karul ke jungi kalong ba kuma pitip kate ke caka kahap apo ke himamalir. Tihadin ba ngile syong bun sin daka high level committee. Kalami kawe ka jing yamir jing mut lang. Bagata kalong ba ya kado ka plot ka ba jaka ka ba hap apo ka himamalim ngin list no eka siya government kanang baga government kan yo ba namar ka jing tmu kandiat ngaku akan panchayati ka jing tmu jong ka sarkar ban pankriya ikiti gibreu ki basyong ha kete jaka kalong ndai bangi kwa ban le benya ki kiru gide ban sutu ngalengo ba balai yang ini kisi bala penmi ya kani ka isu kum ka kenja komunal isu lani kum ka isu ka bangi le benya nu yanu ndai kani kamde kata kani kalong tang ban ri allocate ya kitu ki breu ki batrei ha ka sarkar siya we pat kecaka kabaka sarkar kala de penbiang penbit ban rakyat ki dia katu kecaka pat kaba light kaba ha apo ke himamalim kenang ba katu kecaka kan long kaba kham keluy kaba kham internet kaba kham singan yiki pat ba trong ke jela la propose ya katu kecaka ban IT no siya government siya ka urban affairs department kenang ba ngila ban le ya katu kecaka ban pen internet kenang ban sna da ki lu gijat jing sna ki ban pen mentoy ya ki pat ba trong ka jela